In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix your ad-supported plan is not available in this recent error. Let's get started. This message usually appears when you are traveling to a country where Netflix ad-supported plan is not offered or when Netflix detects that you are connecting from an unsupported location. First, make sure you are accessing Netflix from a country where the ad-supported plan is available. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or a smart DNS service, turn it off and reconnect to the internet, as these services can cause Netflix to detect the wrong reason. Next, sign out of your Netflix account, close the app or browser, then sign back in and try streaming again. If you're using a web browser, you'll need to check for a browser update. If you're using Netflix app, update it. Also clear browser cache and cookies. Restart your device and your internet router to refresh your connection. If you're traveling in a region where the ad-supported plan is not available, you may need to wait until you return to a supported country or upgrade to a Netflix plan without ads, which is available in more regions. If the error continues even though you are in a supported country, contact Netflix support so they can verify your account and region settings. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.